at first we had a bit of a shock where, the market seems to come to a halt on the private side. But clearly after that, we've seen an acceleration, especially thanks to COVID in some way. I don't know if I can put it this way, but that's been an acceleration for a certain sector in the digital environment. So the deal flow has started to pick up. And even though we're slightly lower on last year globally, it's interesting to see that we see more mega deals. So the number of deals has declined, but the size of deals have increased. And it's also interesting to see who is coming to take part in this transaction, where we've seen an increase of corporate venture capital as well, which I think leads to some of the thinking that the digitalization of the world is only going to accelerate in a post-COVID environment. And therefore, people want to transform and be part of the action. And that's been seen as a way to do it in a sort of quicker way.
That's kind of part of what I was going to ask you next, actually. What are they doing with the money? You've kind of answered it. Is it digitization or is it something else? Or shoring up the balance sheet because they've taken a bit of a hiding? What are they doing with it?
The companies, I think it's a combination of shoring up, and you have to be opportunistic in this market because there'll be some winners and some losers. So you want to be ready. I think and a lot of them are accelerating their growth as a result of it, because that's just been a leapfrog into the adoption of the digital world.